Seeing oil drops on the driveway under your older Chevy V8? If you suspect a rear main seal leak, you are probably worried about a huge repair bill. The good news is, yes, switching to a specific high-mileage oil can often stop a slow leak, but it only works if the seal is just dried out, not physically torn. Here is what is happening inside your engine. After more than 150,000 miles, that rubber rear main seal goes through countless heat cycles. It starts to shrink, gets hard, and loses its flexibility. If you recently switched from conventional oil to a full synthetic, you might have seen the leak start right after. That is because the molecules in synthetic oil are smaller and more uniform. They can slip past tiny gaps in that hardened seal that the old oil could not. A high-mileage synthetic blend is made for this exact problem. It contains additives called seal conditioners. These are ester-based chemicals that soak into the nitrile, silicone, or polyacrylate rubber of the seal. Over a few hundred miles of driving, they cause the seal to swell slightly and regain its flexibility, which closes the gap and stops the leak. Now, you have to be 100% sure the leak is coming from the rear main seal before you do anything. This is one of the most commonly misdiagnosed leaks on a vehicle. Oil from a leaking valve cover gasket or oil pan gasket can run down the back of the engine, drip from the seam of the bell housing, and look exactly the same. So, get a good light and some degreaser. Clean that entire area until it is spotless. Then drive for a day. Come back and look for the highest, freshest point of oil to find the true source. Once you have confirmed the leak is from the rear main, your next oil change is the time to act. It is critical to avoid the chemical stop leak products you see on the shelf. Many of those additives work by massively increasing the oil's thickness to slow the leak. The problem is that extra thick oil has a hard time reaching the top of your engine, especially on a cold start, which can starve your valve train of lubrication. Instead, drain the old oil completely and refill with a full synthetic oil specifically labeled high mileage, like Valvoline MaxLife. These are formulated for engines with over 75,000 miles. Be sure to use the manufacturer's recommended oil weight. For most of these older Chevy V8s, that is going to be a 5W30 or a 10W30. This ensures the engine gets the protection it was designed for. Finally, understand this solution requires patience. It is not an instant fix. You will need to drive the truck for about 500 miles to give the conditioners time to soak in and work. The best way to track your progress is to slide a clean sheet of cardboard under the engine every night when you park. Over 1 to 2 weeks, you should see the number and size of the oil drops get smaller. At the same time, keep an eye on your dipstick to confirm the rate of oil loss is slowing down. If the leak continues without any improvement after that time, it likely means the seal is torn or just too worn out for conditioners to help. Ignoring a steady leak is not just messy, it risks running the engine low on oil, which can lead to severe and expensive internal damage. So, if you try this method, just get in the habit of checking your oil level weekly to make sure the fix is holding.